Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with OpenDoor for investor purchase workflow essentials step by step clearly. Log into your OpenDoor account using your credentials. On the homepage, locate the investor section for easy access. Review the available properties listed in the subscription area. Choose a property that fits your investment criteria. Click on the property to view detailed information, including price and location. Examine the property photos and descriptions carefully. Scroll down to find the subscription options available for the selected property. Select the appropriate subscription plan that aligns with your investment strategy. Carefully read through the terms and conditions associated with the subscription. Once you have reviewed the terms, click the Accept button to proceed. Fill out the required information in the subscription form. Provide your payment information to complete the transaction. Double-check all entered details for accuracy. Click on the Submit button to finalize your subscription. You will receive a confirmation email detailing your subscription. Monitor your email for updates regarding your purchase status. Keep track of important deadlines and requirements as outlined in the confirmation. Once the purchase process begins, stay engaged with OpenDoor for ongoing communication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.